For those looking to breathe new life into their Dell Optiplex systems, a reliable power supply is key. Today, we're taking a look at the LXun upgraded H260EBM-01 260W PSU, a potential solution for a range of Optiplex models. This power supply is designed as a compatible replacement for several Dell Optiplex series, including the 3050, 3060, 5050, 5060, 7050, 7060, and even some of the 3080, 5080, 7080, 5090, and 7090 models, including the MT versions. The LXun H260EBM-01 aims to be a direct replacement, referencing model numbers like L260EBM-01, D260E003P, and AC260EBM-01. It's also associated with part numbers like 0WICHAR8 and WICHAR8. So if you're seeing those on your existing PSU, this could be a match. Spec-wise, it handles an input of 100-240V at 4.2 a 50 to 60 Hz and delivers a max output of 260W. The connector configuration includes a 6-pin, a 4-pin, and another 4-pin connector, which is fairly standard for these systems. LXun emphasizes compatibility, listing a wide array of Optiplex models. If you're unsure, double-checking your existing power supply's model and part numbers against the ones listed is always a good idea. The inclusion of a 1-year warranty is reassuring. LXun states that all motor fans are rigorously tested before shipping, and they offer a replacement or full refund if you're not satisfied. This kind of guarantee can provide peace of mind when purchasing a replacement part.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.